Hi there, Next Earth citizen. In this video, we'll show you how to use our map interface. We will focus on two primary functions, the land tile selection and the land purchase. Let's get started. Here you can see the Next Earth map interface. For the ultimate user experience, you can minimize this window by clicking on the little arrow in the top left corner. This way, you can select more tiles too. Simply click on a tile you want to purchase. By holding and dragging, you can expand the selection. If you click once more, the selection will stop and you can start selecting tiles from a separate place on the map. Here on the left, we placed a tracker for you to be able to see how many tiles you've selected. The maximum amount is 1,000 tiles per purchase. Because our selected tiles haven't been purchased yet, they are displayed as unnamed territories. Once you've bought your required land, you're able to name the territory and thereby find it more easily later. While you do the selection, your system calculates the price of your selected territory. So if you want to add more tiles, it will instantly refresh the amount. The price depends on the category of the tiles. In the summary window, you'll always see the total price of your selected tiles. We also added the coordinates to this panel, according to our community's wishes, so now you're able to see and search for them. Now that our selection is complete, let's move on to buying your selected territory. The purchase can be conducted in the same window. On the top, you'll see the promo code. If you have one, you get a 5% discount, just like here. As all payments are put through in BNB coins, prices are displayed here in this currency. By clicking on the Refresh Price button, the current price of the BNB coin will update. Now, we're ready to do the purchase. The price exchange and the payment will be conducted in a fully transparent way, secured by our smart contracts on Chainlink Oracle. Before you hit the Buy Now button, make sure that you've connected your wallet to our system and that you have enough BNB in your wallet. So now you're good to go. Click this button and confirm your payment in your wallet, for instance, MetaMask, Trust Wallet, etc. And that's a wrap. Welcome to the Next Earth Land Owners Club. Now you can go ahead and select the next territory you want to own in the Next Earth metaverse. We will release our fully functioning map on the 21st of July 2021. If you want to know more or have feedback to share with us, please check our Discord channel. See you in the next video, where we'll show you further features of the map system.